secret to closing more real estate deals. Whether you're a wholesaler, a buy and hold guy such as myself, or a flipper, you might even be buying it for personal use. Knowledge is power, so let's dive into it.
Welcome to the Smack Fest, the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down.
And for just meeting for the first time, my name is William Dauria. I'm a full-time dad and real estate investor. So I created my portfolio out of nothing but passive income. I don't chase wholesale deals. I don't chase flip deals. I buy and hold for mailbox money. My portfolio is single family, multifamily, and commercial. So my goal on this channel is to help you achieve your financial freedom. So, see, in real estate, a lot of people get nervous when it comes time to making offers. See, they don't want to necessarily insult the seller, but they don't really know where a good common middle ground might even be in the first place. Here's a little trick, guys. So if the seller has had the property for more than 10 years, chances are they have a lot of equity built up in that property in the first place. Now, if the property also needs repairs and it's not bank financeable because of that, such as a property that real estate investors look at, you're gonna have a much better position to buy. I want to show you this graph as an example. So this graph right here will show you what a homeowner most likely paid less than 10 years ago. Guys, in this example, here in January 2012, this property was going for about $150,000. Now, fast forward today, it's about $280,000. So, if this homeowner bought this house for around $150,000, has been paying on it for now 8 years on a 15-year term, they owe less than $100,000 on this property in the first place. So if they're asking $280,000 and you come in, hey, I know the property needs work. I know there may be some adjustments on the foundation. I know it may need a new roof, a new AC, stuff like that. Kind of position yourself to make the offer. At that point, you know what you're about to offer them not only will get them out of the house, but also give them money back in their pockets, even if your offer is $175,000. Some people might think this is crazy to say the house is valued at $280,000, or at least the neighborhood is. I know this house might need a little bit of money. I'm scared to death to offer him $175,000 because I'm afraid he's going to give me the bird. What you might not realize is that property owner might owe less than $100,000. This house has been a headache for him. It might even be inherited to them in the first place, and they are more than okay with walking and pocketing about $75,000, and you might actually be doing them a favor. And worst case scenario, they say, thanks but no thanks, you're exactly where you started when you woke up that morning anyways. So you might as well get out there and make the offer. See, as a real estate investor specifically, it's all about number games. So for instance, have you ever met a real estate investor that says, you know, I'm really having a hard time, you know, I've been doing this for a few months and you know, I'm just not getting a lot of deals under my belt, or I'm struggling to get my first deal. This will solve this every time. Ask him this. Ask him, how many offers have you made in the last 30 days? Listen to what they say, because the ones that are generally saying, you know, it's really hard and this and that, their answer might be 0, maybe 1, maybe 2. Guys, we need like much higher offers. In a numbers game, it might be every 1 out of 30 offers will be accepted, but that's okay because that offer you made them was exactly in line to where you need to be. Let the others tell you no. You don't want to overpay for a property ever, but the offers that you're offering make sense to you. You keep throwing stuff. It's like spaghetti noodles. You throw them at the wall. Eventually something's going to stick. And the ones that stick make all the difference. So you don't know that seller's motivation. You don't know what kind of equity they have in that property. And you have nothing to lose by making the offer anyways. Here's a quick example. I found a property a few years ago that was for sale for $750,000, and it was a good deal at that as well. However, I was taking a little bit of a risk because of the location, so I came in and offered $360,000 because I know they're going to either tell me to go jump in a lake or they're going to counter me at something that I could maybe consider. So they countered me at $385,000 on my $360,000 offer. So that just goes to tell you that offers crazy, off the wall, like I don't even want to submit this offer. I've literally had real estate agents tell me I don't even want to submit this. And they submitted it anyways because, well, I'm a buyer and I want them to. That's their job. And it was accepted. Okay, so sometimes the seller's motivation is much greater than you realize. So with that being said, I hope you get something out of this. Go out there and make offers. If you find a house, matter of fact, when you find a house that works for you, the next time you find it, go, wow, I love that, say duplex for instance. If it was $175,000, I'd jump on it all day. It's just a little too much. Make the offer anyways, guys. Let me know if it pans out for you. Until next time, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and liking, and I will see you on the next one.